Hi there, I'm Birgit O'Connor, and welcome to my studio. Now, we just finished a workshop where we focused on large, smooth transitional washes. And another technique is actually doing something entirely different, where it's loose and sloppy and really wet. And you actually use any mistake to your advantage, and it's a lot of fun. So, what I wanted to give you was a free PDF. If you go to the link below, you can download that, or just take a look at this little lesson and give it a try. So, let's start painting. Grab some of that same problem I had before, a little bit there. Bring that down a little bit. Actually, I just noticed, be careful not to go back and forth too much. Maybe this will be my beach. I'm going for a little Payne's gray. Get some of that extra off, and I'm really using more of the white of the paper. Hopefully not too much. And call that done. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you learned something new. It's really quick and simple and so much fun. And if you want that little workbook, just download it below. And until next time, have fun and happy painting.